Alright, hey guys, Mr. Writing here to talk about the second lecture, um, which, like I said, we're going to be talking a little bit more about Newton's second law of motion in this one. The first one we talked about the first law of motion, that objects at rest stay at rest and objects in motion stay in motion, unless acted upon. Oh my gosh, let me fix this. This is silly. Unless acted. Oh, now it's not going to type again. Huh. Alright, so anyways, unless it's acted upon by an unbalanced force. And we saw that if a lady is sitting in the chair and there's a force of 600 downward, 600 upward, and she's not moving, she will continue to not move. If she is moving upward or downward and the forces are still equal, she will continue to move upward or downward at a consistent velocity. But if these two forces become unequal, then what's going to happen is she's going to feel acceleration. Okay, so her velocity will begin to change. And so this is something that we feel with elevators, that when the elevator first starts to pull us up, it actually will accelerate us because we start at a velocity of 0, and so that initial force actually has to be a little bit greater. Just to get us moving upward. Once it's done accelerating, it can continue to move us up at a consistent velocity using the same force as gravity. Okay? Um, now, again, we should know how to calculate acceleration. Now, the only difference in this one is that instead of acceleration, we know gravity is going to be 9.8. So rather than ever trying to figure out acceleration in the F equals ma, gravity is equal to 9.8. Okay, and so that's, I think, you know what, that's about it for this lecture. That was another big piece of information in understanding. Go back, watch this video again to understand how Newton's second law works in terms of gravity. Biggest concept is the fact that there has to be an unbalanced force for there to be acceleration, upward or downward. Okay? Whenever it is balanced, the force upward and downward is balanced, then it's going to keep going at a constant velocity. Alright? That doesn't mean it's going to stop. It's going to keep going at a constant velocity. Alright, that's it for this lecture. If you have any questions, write them down, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.